Mellanium uses a unique patented technology to create virtual 3D environments which contain realistically rendered and textured objects and high-resolution graphics. Since these 3D content-rich environments are created on an existing online self-server-based platform, one can interact with 30 to 40 other avatars in these virtual worlds. This YouTube video was produced to illustrate how easily movement and interactivity with these environments are controlled by the mouse and keyboard. Right now we are running an engineered environment which shows an anode refining vessel, and the camera view within this environment is controlled completely by the mouse. As you can see, moving the mouse up and down changes the camera view. Moving it from side to side again moves the camera view. Using the keys on the keypad, W, S, A and D, you can now go forward and travel through the environment to examine all the content. Now, in this particular environment, we have CAD files on the back wall which actually show the design of the refractory lining in the vessel. You can actually slowly move over there, controlling it with a keyboard and mouse. Go backwards, sideways, controlling the movement with precision. Now, just to show you the clarity of the graphics, I'm going to zoom back onto the monitor. If we gradually slowly move over to there, you can see that exactly the clarity and the precision, the high resolution of the CAD files used to design the 3D replica of the vessel in this environment. Again, all movement of the camera is done by the mouse, and the keypad buttons give you the direction and speed of movement. Now, right here we have a series of photographs which illustrate exactly how the lining is installed inside the vessel. Different types of bricks, how they're cut to suit, how the design supports the weight of the lining. Now, these are high-resolution photographs that have been imported into this 3D online gaming platform. Now, if we wander over towards the vessel, we can enter through the top of the mouth by hitting the F button. You now stop flying. You can enter through the mouth. Now you can see the inside of the vessel, completely reproduced. Specifications from the CAD files, various types of different bricks. So now you've got the view from inside this vessel. You can see the pictures and the CAD files just the same, as if you're in an actual vessel itself. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, one of the most important things to understand about the Mellanium technology is because it's based on an online gaming platform, it is possible to have 30 or 40 people wandering around this simultaneously over the internet. They would download the environment into the computer, go onto the server, join in, and then by using a voice over the internet protocol conferencing software, you would be able to actually sit down and talk to people all over the world and wander around this at the same time. You still see the pictures on the walls. And another view of the vessel. Mellanium technology has been used to create a virtual residence reproduced from a house that actually exists in the UK. Again, using the mouse to control the camera view and the keypad, the keys to control the movement, we can wander through the house looking through the windows and go into one of the bedrooms. In this case it's been decorated with an Egyptian theme. Going on close, you can see here we've got some rather elaborate looking funerary urns and rather nice looking lotus columns. In fact, in this case here you can see there's a candle burning. As we zoom into the monitor again, it is possible to generate any 3D object realistically textured, and in this case we're going to now go outside. Down the stairs, go out the front door, we've actually got some rather surreal looking objects to look at, but here's a very nice example of a polished Corvette. It's a 4x4 big truck in the front garden there, rather large stainless steel truck, or a Spitfire in the back field, a Mustang over by the garage. Over here we've got a couple of motorbikes, a dirt bike and a Harley Davidson. So I hope you understand that actually the use of Mellanium 3D environments to produce highly detailed and photorealistic graphics and images is very easy to control. Using the keyboard and using the mouse, you can control the camera view and easily control the movement and interactivity within the environment.